Hi, my name is Jennifer Leone, and the topic I chose was what are the unique copyright issues present in the corporate for-profit training sector? I'm lucky enough to have a sister who is a learning and development consultant for Wells Fargo. And I spoke to her yesterday. She basically gave me some websites that her company uses to put together their training materials. And from the other research, just looking around on the internet and from our textbook, it seems like that this issue comes down to money, whether you can afford, or the school can afford, or the company can afford to subscribe to these services in order to get access to these publications or photos or videos or songs without having any legal headaches. So basically this first one was mentioned in our textbook. It's the Copyright Clearinghouse, and this is really pretty cool. I'm not sure how much the subscriptions cost because you have to email to get that information, but there's different types of subscriptions: education, business, etc. But on the main screen you can put in anything, and I just typed in Montessori method, and it gives you a long list. I just have a picture of the first two of what the item is and whether you can use it depending on what type of license you have. So a business license, a print business license, a print digital license, academic license. If you notice number one, you're able to use this book with all three. There's another issue with the digital rights, if you see that little red circle, but that would be for them to read. And if you notice number two says the work is in the public domain, so you can use it without restriction. And you can put in anything. I put in Dumbo, I put in Gilligan's Island, and they all come up either that they're not registered with the Copyright Clearinghouse, and then you can request that they find out about that document, or hopefully it's already registered and you can go ahead and use it right away, so there's not a lot of time wasted. The next one they use is they subscribe to this Veer.com, which is for photography and illustrations. And I'm not sure what kind of subscription her company has, but you can see on the left hand side you can go search by price for the image. Most of the subscriptions are like 20 images a day or something like that, so you can kind of tailor it to what you need. This is another one that Wells Fargo uses, elearningart.com, and again here's some of the pricing that they have, with the most expensive being $80 a month for 25 users. I'm not quite sure. $5.83 a month for one user, but the resolution for those pictures is going to be less. It's going to be for websites. So all this stuff is out there, and like I said, it just costs some money to use. So that's the biggest issue, trying to keep the lawyers not busy and subscribing and putting out the money needed so that you don't have to wonder if there's going to be a problem. The references, I just used our textbook, Teaching and Learning at a Distance, and the interview with my sister, it said in the APA style guide not to put it on the reference page, so I didn't. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thanks very much.